Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to make a 16-inch hanging basket of petunias. There's 10 partitions, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and I'm going to put the flowers on this side, then alternately below, this side alternately below, and here I'm going to put 3 in the center, and the ones around depends upon the number of leftover flowers.